welcome to Transportation Engineering Laboratory. Today we will see determination of softening point of bitumen as per IS 1205 to 1978. Apparatus required: ring and ball apparatus, steel balls having diameter 9.5 mm and weight 3.50 gram, brass ring having depth 6.4 mm, inside diameter at bottom 15.9 mm, inside diameter at top 17.5 mm. Ball guide, supporting stand, a glass beaker, a thermometer capable of reading temperature up to 0 to 200 degrees Celsius, hot plate, and stirrer automatically operated. Procedure: take a glass plate and prepare a mixture of dextrose and glycerol. Apply the mixture on the surface of the glass plate. This mixture is prepared as bitumen adhesive to the plate. Heat the bitumen to a temperature between 75 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius above its softening point. Stir until it is completely fluid and free from air bubbles and water, and filter if necessary through ISU 30. Fill the rings with the sample and then remove the excess material with a warm sharp knife after cooling in air for 30 minutes. Fill the beaker with the distilled water until the level of the water is 50 mm above the top of the rings. Place the ring and ball support into the beaker. Maintain the bath at a temperature of 5 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, after which place the ball previously cooled to a temperature of 5 degrees Celsius by forceps in each ball guide. Place the steel ball into the centering guide. Place the beaker on top of the hot plate. Apply heat to the bath and stir the liquid so that the temperature rises at a uniform rate of 5 degrees Celsius per minute until the material softens, and allow the ball to pass through the ring. Record the temperature shown by the thermometer for each ring and ball. At the instant the sample surrounding the ball touches the bottom plate of the support. Observation and calculation. (48.2 degrees Celsius). Temperature in degrees Celsius at which second ball touched the bottom plate is 49.1 degrees Celsius. The average of the two is the softening point of bitumen is 48.65 degrees Celsius. Result: the softening point value of given bitumen sample is 48.65 degrees Celsius. The difference between the two readings should not exceed 1 degree Celsius for temperature range is between 40 to 60 degrees Celsius and not more than 1.5 degrees Celsius for range is between 61 to 80 degrees Celsius.